Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we've got a 2004 Yamaha YZF-R6. This bike's got a little over 33,600 miles on it and is in pretty good condition. We're going to take a walk around it and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. This bike has been down on the right side. I'll show you some damage on it, but basically just cosmetic. It does not affect its performance. The clear windscreen has got a little hazing to it. But as you can see, the rest of the front end is in very good shape. We've got one scratch on the front fender here. I know it's kind of hard to see in the video. There it is. We are going to be putting new tires on this bike. We're also doing fork seals on it as well. You can see here we've got a little damage on the end of the bar end. We've got some scrapes here, and then we've got some scraping where this frame slider is. This bike also has a Yosh pipe on it. Tank pad. Also has an integrated tail and a fender eliminator. And we're putting a new back tire. See, this side of the bike is nice and clean. And a little scratching right here on the engine cover. You know, this bike's got some miles on it, but for the miles it's got on it, it's in very good condition. Alright, let's get you a shot of those miles now. 33,644. And as you can hear, even with its miles on it, the bike fires right up and runs really well. This bike will be going through our pre-sale inspection, and like I said, we're going to be putting a set of tires and some new fork seals on this, and as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.